Alright, guys. Oh, battery's in again. How's it going, guys? Yes, I am with the Marcella. Hello. And we got Zeus. Missed your brother, didn't you, Pon? Yes, we did. So we are heading down to Spain, back to Tarifa, but we should obviously make use of the drive down and see some places along the way. And first of all, get out of Germany because it's a bit boring, isn't it?
You
Get to a coast somewhere.
of making it big. In
Engine
your
management
town,
light. It's gone out! Yay!
people had a certain walk and a certain frown. Steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Put some color on those cheeks.
Okay, we're in Luxembourg and I found a crane that looks a little bit interesting to climb up and get some nice footage, so I'm going to go and climb up it. Okay, that's as far as I can go. It's locked off at the top. Whew. Legs are shaking, but it's fun. Nice. Yay! Yay! I want to be a crane driver. No? Okay. Oh, train graveyard. We're going to take a closer look at that.
Down to Barcelona, and we've just found this awesome camping spot there, in there.
Yeah, maybe.
It's just by the lake, not many people around, and we can let the dogs out. Awesome.
Where are we? Oh, in the lake.
And be responsible. It's my heart, so I hold you accountable.
dogs out and Alex had time to do some editing.
I've chopped this off the chili plant and I'm gonna grow it into a new plant.
Stop making up excuses when I simply don't care. Why don't you just move on? We ain't going nowhere. I got enough to do. Then hang around.
The place we stayed last night has got loads of fresh mint everywhere, so we're just picking it up. What's it look like again? I can't find any. Right. I found loads of it. Look.
It's my heart.
You making weird, you tickle him and stuff, scratch him.
It's a dog, they want to be scratched.
No, they're not. No, I don't, no. You're making him itchy. Have you ever had a good scratch?
No.
You have, and after it you feel itchy.
No, I feel relieved.
We've got 60 euros in cash and we don't know how much this toll's going to be. We didn't really want to go on the toll, but it was 5 hours shorter. But now we're going to see if we've got enough money to pay for it. What's your bets? How much? You need a bet.
But it's
Place your bet.
45.
Okay. Oh god.
Ah, 63.30.
Oof. Oof. 63.30. How many miles did we do on there? Oh, I'll tell you how many miles we did on there. 260 miles we did.
So I hold you accountable.
Our first stop in Spain was Roses in Catalonia.
And be responsible. It's my heart. So I hold you accountable. So grow.
Whoa. Oh. There was no rats in here. What is that? This is creepy. Water time again. Oh, good. You have to stop showering so much.
Oh, espera. I know, espera. Ja też muszę. So we've just found a nice beach to stay the night. We haven't gone to Barcelona today. We'll do the whole day, full day tomorrow. And on the way into the beach, there was a height restriction of, what was it, 2.5 first?
Yeah.
Which we barely managed to do. I'll tell you stop, you stop, okay? Go. Yes! We're like centimeters close to hitting the ceiling. Slowly. Go.
What did it hit?
Yeah,
What?
close, yeah, go.
Drops down a bit here.
Yeah, I know. But it should be fine. Oh god.
How's it look?
Close. Ooh. There's been a few here that didn't make it.
Well, we're out, we're clear.
And by the entrance to the beach it was 2.2, so...
Right, there we go, sound.
I first tried to say congratulations, mate.
Oh, it's 2.2 to get into the fucking beach! It is!
I'm not doing that again.
However, the way out doesn't have a barrier on it.
We figured that we will use the... what was it?
The way out.
The way out, which had no height restriction. So yeah, we're just going sort of against the current.
It's the current, baby!
Where are we?
Barcelona.
So we've been driving for half an hour and we still haven't found a parking space. Obviously we're looking for a free one, but I think we're gonna have to pay. Can you hear the parrots?
Oh.
See that?
Oh, I can't see it. Where is it?
No, just parrot. Yeah, he's ready.
What's that? It's a parrot? Yeah, a parrot?
Oh my god. No.
Where are they? Just about to give up on parking and we've stopped at this place. But I don't know what any of that means really, apart from 8 till 6. I think we're just gonna stay here. First things first, a beer. Cheers. Nice.
It's Sagrada Familia. Yeah, so 1883 they started it, and they anticipating it's going to be finished by 2026. They stopped a bit for a Spanish Civil War and they started again in 1950. So Art Nouveau, look how crazy it is, look how imaginative, and every bit,
Acid, doesn't it?
every part, every symbol, every figure has its meaning and is there for a reason. From the very beginning it was sponsored only by private sponsors.
Look, it's my wine glass. You gotta capture beauty when you see it. Oh god! Oh god! What do you call that, babe? What's that thing there?
Laziness.
No, that thing she's on.
Oh, swinger leg.
A swinger leg. It's not a scooter. At least the bar's never far. This guy's just walking around trying to sell you beer out of a plastic bag. Look.
Hello?
Marcella's taking me to another surprise building today.
I'm biding my time, I know the way this goes. I try to stand tall with nothing to lean on. All quiet and still, the nickel that goes on. And I'm not taking back all the deeds that I've done.
Another weird building. What's it called?
Casa Mila.
I think yesterday's was better though. It's a bit square this one. Yesterday's was a lot better. I mean, it's a nice building. Don't get me wrong, it's very interesting. Very interesting.
It's meant to resemble a mountain. It took us an hour to get here, walking.
Yeah.
And Alex can go with it.
It's well worth it.
It is.
Now it's my turn to take Marcella somewhere.
We are the eye on the needle.
He's trying to catch a blossom.
Oh, did you see that?
No.
Straight through the fucking door.
It's been going on for a while now.
We ran out.
No, you haven't.
No, they're not coming very often.
They are.
Here we go.
I got one.
No way.
I got one.
Okay, move for them, innit?
I haven't. I picked it up from the floor.
What? Did you?
'Cause we're in the eye of the needle. you don't like or love me, then I'll face the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. Breathe the eye of the needle. We are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. Breathe it all out.
So yeah, we're just gonna wait till another one. We'll see.
Babe.
I don't like it. Swing a leg.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.